Hello and welcome to Tom's Guide on how to put together a computer. First of all, we have some safety precautions. I have this wrist strap on me as it keeps me grounded so I don't damage any of the electrical products. Secondly, we have the static mat, which is also grounded, which keeps the products from getting damaged whilst not in use. I'm going to show you how to put the processor in. There is a little slot inside that you have to open up first. And you must see that there's a certain way you have to place in the processor. Otherwise it won't work. Then after that you have to close up the processor case to lock it in place. This is a fan. It's also a heat sink. It goes over the processor. There is a certain way you have to put this fan in. You have to line up the 4 clips with each hole in the motherboard and click it into place. And then you have to twist it in a locked position. For fan power, you must place it into the motherboard using this. This goes right into this part here. Heatsink. It's to help all the bridges cool down. The bridges connect everything together. The heatsink goes in this position here and they have to clip in each of these holes here, which sometimes can be a bit of a pest. And one final one just by the fan. This is a graphics card. We won't be using it today for certain reasons, but I'll still show you how to put it in anyways. There's a certain slot on the motherboard. This motherboard has a PCI slot. The graphics card will fit into this slot perfectly. This is RAM. It's 1 GB of DDR2 RAM. RAM is volatile memory and it's for where applications are stored when running. This memory is lost when the computer is turned off. The RAM fits in these slots here and they should just simply clip in as so. These 2 cables are for the power cable and they insert in just by the RAM. This is the hard drive. The hard drive is where all of the main data is stored. As in this case, it's an 80 GB Samsung hard drive. The hard drive fits in at the top here. And you have to align each side with a screw port and screw in the hard drive. What we're doing is powering up the hard drive. First of all, you place in the power cable for the hard drive. Secondly, we use the SATA cable. The SATA cable is faster than an ATA cable and it transfers data over faster. We're placing in the DVD drive. The DVD drive will go in above the hard drive. Simply all you need are the same cables as before. First of all, you put in the power. And secondly, use the same sort of SATA cable. This is the VGA cable. It's connected to the monitor. This so your screen will show what your computer is doing. And it will just go into that blue port there and screw it in. USB cables are for the keyboard and mouse. They fit in the USB ports either on the back or the front, and I'm showing you the back ones. First of all, before you turn on your computer, you must put on the case. Computer is booting up. The keyboard is responding. And so is the mouse. Thank you for watching.